Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign into Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to sign into Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're one of your contractors are asking you to pay them through Cash App, but you haven't used it for a while. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Cash App now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. This is the login screen. So in order to log in, you need to enter one of two things. So if you want, you can log in with your phone number, and what's going to happen is Cash App is going to text message you a code, so that way it allows you to log into your Cash App. Now, if that's not working, you can go ahead and click on this button right here called Use Email. Once you click there, you can go ahead and enter your email address in that you have associated with your Cash App, and you will receive an email from Cash App with a login code. Now, I have run into the situation where I can't log in with my phone number for whatever reason. I'll receive the code, and then when I enter the code in, it says unable to verify. So what I did is I went ahead and entered in my email address, and it emailed me the code and accepted for some reason. It might be some sort of an error. Also, another thing I want to know is that if you are opening up the Cash App and it's asking you to sign up for a new account and you can't get to this login screen, you're going to need to reset your Cash App, and how you do that is through your iPhone settings. Let me jump on over to that. Okay, so here's the settings app on your iPhone. In order to reset your Cash App, what you're going to need to do is go ahead and open your settings. Once you've opened settings, scroll all the way down until you get to Cash App right here, this green and white logo. Once you're there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Advanced. Okay, so you can see that this erase app data on next launch, it's gray. You need to click that over until it's green, and then you're going to go ahead and open up your Cash App, but come back here and be sure to make sure this is black, because if not, you're going to have to log into Cash App each and every time. And what that does is it erases the data, and then it'll reset the Cash App, and it gives you the access to go ahead and log in. So let me jump back over to my Cash App login. Okay, so here is the Cash App login. I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number in to log in. Okay, I entered in my phone number. I'm going to click on this green Next button. Okay, next I did receive a text message almost immediately from Cash App, so I'm going to go ahead and enter this code in here that was received via text message, and then I'm going to click on Next. Okay, next Cash App's prompting me to go ahead and invite my friends to Cash App, so I'm going to close this out, and just a quick second later, the page refreshes, and as you can see, I have logged into my Cash App. Now, the process is going to be similar, basically the same if you use your email to log in, that is, if you connected your email to your Cash App. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to log in to your Cash App, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.